Good afternoon, guys. Well, it's not a good afternoon because it's raining today. I am in Lincoln City at the Brayford. It's supposed to be packed of people today because the lockdown is being lifted since 1 week ago. But today is very miserable day and it's raining. That is why there's not much people outside. All the shops are open, pubs, but it is only an outdoor service. So building over there, that's University of Lincoln, and it's a Hilton hotel, and right next to it says Holiday Inn. So it's a pretty nice area, small, but you get everything here. This area is very expensive as well. The hotels and apartments, if you want to live here or have a few days holiday, it costs a lot. It is actually raining. It's raining. By the way, all restaurants and hotels are still closed at the moment until the 17th of May. So this one as well, this one is a barge restaurant. This is actually a boat. I've been here before. It was a nice foods. They serve nice foods in here for sure. I'm gonna walk under this bridge. I never been here this way. And I'll find out what's behind this bridge. It could be just residential or an apartment as well. It is actually a residential area. It's quite pretty here, but I think it is actually costly. There you go. I think those houses over there in front of me, I think they are all apartments. Okay, oh my god, it's raining, huh? going to finish my video here, and I'll see you for the next one.